Welcome to our channel where we guide you through the easiest ways to fix Capital One online banking problems fast and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel. Facing issues with Capital One online banking can be frustrating, but the good news is that most problems have straightforward fixes that anyone can follow. Let's walk through the simple step-by-step solutions to get your online banking back on track quickly. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Connectivity problems often cause login errors or page loading failures, so switch to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Next, verify that your browser is up to date. Using outdated browsers can lead to compatibility issues with the Capital One website or app. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove any corrupted data that might be causing login or display problems. Another important step is to check Capital One's system status. Sometimes their service experiences downtime or maintenance, which temporarily affects online banking access. You can do this by visiting their official social media pages or website. If you forgot your login credentials, use the Forgot Username or Password option on the login page. Follow the prompts carefully to reset your information securely without risking account safety. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This extra layer helps prevent unauthorized access and gives you control over account activity. If problems persist, try accessing your account from a different device or browser to determine if the problem is device-specific. Additionally, disable browser extensions or VPNs that might interfere with connectivity. When all else fails, contacting Capital One customer service directly is advisable. They can provide personalized support and troubleshoot technical issues specific to your account. Remember to have your account details ready for verification. By following these step-by-step tips, you'll resolve most common Capital One online banking issues quickly and safely. Don't let technical glitches hold you back from managing your finances with ease.